Watch this. It's gonna be a huge explosion. Oh, this is so cool, man. Last time we stopped with traps, so my unit can put traps on the ground, and also we can now have bloom in the game. Maybe not as powerful. Let's make it a little less. Our lovely ranger can now place down traps while we wait for monsters, and he puts them in random locations close to him. However, the downside is whenever he attacks a monster, he's only focusing on that monster. And so we have to figure out why that is. Anyways, okay, so let's see, we are using a trap, and it's only using this trap on the enemies. Let's see what happens. So we have a trap, yes. We look at the waypoints, we get ourselves some waypoints. Let's see what we're gonna do after the waypoints. Target waypoint, waypoint index, 3. Alright. Ability target, hero. Get cast delay. I don't see. This is the ranger. We're targeting ourselves. Then we break out of this. We have an ability target. And then what happens? First target. Aha. The first target is the wizard. I see now. Wait, but it shouldn't be. It's the target ID. Give me a second. That is a bit odd. The hero is... Look for heroes first. How's it getting the wizard here? Because we are targeting ourselves. Ah, I see. If the game state spawn heroes on the index is the same as ID. Return. Okay, I think I have to check on this again, unfortunately. Actually true. Okay, yeah. Let's go back here. We have an ability type trap. We get the waypoint. We choose the waypoint. We set... Aha! I see. This is it. Okay, I think this is the fix, by the way. For this time. Let's see if it works. This is not the problem. Maybe we just have to empty the target ID. Because it's supposed to target ground. It works! Lol, we are just putting traps down. Look at this. Look at this. Watch. Poof. Poof, poof. It works. We have a trapper in the game. Now, we need to make this look cooler. This is not cool enough. The traps need to look awesome. They need to glow and they need to be big explosions. So they don't deal any damage. Which, you know, kind of sucks. They only deal 120 cold damage. Okay. We need to make this ability better. Ice Trap. And I think I want to begin by drawing this in additive blend mode. Additive blending. And then I want to use bloom. God, it feels so good to be back. Yeah. I didn't say anything. It's the record. Oh man. This is a marker, by the way, Push. Godot Engine official? My man. The Godot Engine official is here? Yikes. Okay. Oh wow, look at this additive blending in Bloom, guys. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Poof. Uh-oh. Saw you in the tag and had to say hi. Hello there. The Inquisition has arrived. Yeah. Alright. Let's do some more stuff here. Cool. What game are you making? I'm making a tower defense game in C++. And I'm currently working on traps. Let me... the collider. Where am I drawing the command? Holy shit, it's real Godot official. The code is in motion. Emo, yeah, was gonna do after the moment passed. Yeah, this was a good marker, yeah. That is instant regret. When you see like a funny moment, putting a marker there helps a lot. I have such a nice community. It's really cool. Except for TCAP. Fucking toxic. And Azen. Fucking toxic as well. Nice community. Did you forget about Met? And of course Christ. Fuck TCAP me. Okay. We have additive blending and bloom, but I think I want to put the color to, or it's I think it's material color. By the way, guys, who of you has played They Are Billions? Impressive that I escaped through that net. Well, the jury is still out on that, so we'll have to. It's not enough. This is not enough. I'm thinking to buy They Are Billions for the weekend. This is good. I like it a lot. Next, I need to work on the explosion. And the cool thing is we already have an explosion that we made with a sprite for the Godot game. And we are just going to reuse that, excuse me, that explosion in our game, if we can find it. Excuse me, plasma explosion a sprite. Should we use this? Or should we just do the shockwave? Self-yoink. By the way, I think we already have this animation. We just need to put it in a sprite, right? Let's do Sprite Atlas. Where is that? Over here. Oh, this is the other one. Texture Atlas. Let's get this. This is my Texture Atlas for my game. Oh, we already have an explosion here. I think we could use this. Nah, we're gonna use the other one. Oh, wow. This is big. Yeah. I might use this. Yeah, I think it's too big. God damn it. Sprite effect impact. There we go. It's called sprite effect impact. Strong impact effect. Mine's bigger than yours. Color, don't know color. Color white. Color palette. I think it's 18. Let's see, click on this. It's 28. There we go. Let's see how this looks. Hello Ashnobs, how's it going, man? How big is mine, Cakes? Mine's bigger than yours? Well, you don't know that because you don't know how big mine is, bro. Okay. Alright, let's see. Is it that small? Is 32 by 32 that small? Sprite effect impact. That's gotta be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the sprite effect impact, but it's too small. Really? Ah, I see. There we go. My teaching job that I quit for Unity just paid me £126. I haven't worked there for almost a year, Pox. Hey, cool. You can go to eat with that, or you can save it for something cool. It's really small, yeah. Okay, how about this? We're not going to draw it here, but we're drawing it by 10 to 10. Or let's say 20... No, actually 50 to 100. That's where we are going to draw it, then we will draw here. And we can get rid of the text. Gotcha, bitch! Thank you so much for following, Dragon. I appreciate it very much. Alright, it shows here, but the size of it is really small. Should be 32 by 32, but that doesn't look like 32 by 32 to me. Or... yeah. Maybe it is. Let's just add another one. How big is this? How big is this? $80 by 80. Okay, 80. Oh wow. Ocean Man. Oops. 480 by 1472. 480 by 1472. And we have how many frames? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 frames. And then we draw this big effect. Oh my god, your game looks so good. Thank you, Valigo. Hello, Jova. How's it going? Hey, my man. I appreciate it very much. Hello, Jova. How's it going, man? Very nice to see you. Hope your game is going good. He's making a tower defense game too, by the way, guys. You're turning it into a sick pixel artist, huh? I haven't seen your game in a while because every time I tune in, you're working on something else. Yeah, I've been working on a lot of different stuff lately. That's true. We need to export it too, so it shows up. Eh? Why is it so squashed? See that? Hey? Let me just draw the sprites here. Why is he scaling sprites through code? I'm scaling them because sometimes I want to change the size. Okay. That looks correct. This actually looks good enough. Now we need to change the animation of this. We need to animate that. So how do I do that here? I'm just changing the size of that. I see. So if I take this. Okay. Do we have a T value? Ease out back T. No, I think I want to use the linear T. Okay, let's animate this. Ah, wait. I see. Int animation index is animate linear T. Then that would be the sprite.frame count. And the duration would be, how long is this? Do we have a duration? Active ability. Duration. What is that you're using for sprites? An atlas out of curiosity. It's called A-Sprite. That is a program that you can build yourself if you want to. Or you can buy it on Steam for, I think it was $20 last time I checked. And that program allows you to, I think it's one of the best programs out there to draw pixel art with. I can recommend it fully. Alright, we need to get the sprite. I was paid, Cap. Yeah, okay. You know, guys, how I've made it a lot easier for me to drink coffee, I make myself coffee and then I just pour a bunch of water into it, basically diluting it. That's also how you stop drinking Coca-Cola, for example, right? Over time, you put more and more water into your Coca-Cola and it gets less and less sweet. Yeah, that's the only way I can drink coffee without shitting myself, by the way. Actually, oh, wow. Looks really good. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What the fuck? This looks really good. Let's see. Let's reload. It would be cool if we could work on another ability today. That would be awesome. Come on. Show me. In slow motion. Okay. Please. Please. I think it is too...
Hello, Cakez. Why don't you zig these nuts?
Shut the fuck up. Who was that? Too early? No, I think it has too many animation frames. What do you guys think? Does it have too many animation frames? Is it too stuttery? I think it's pretty good. Well, we can also do this. Let me show you. Watch. I don't have tier 2? Do I not have tier 2? Where's tier 2? I don't have tier 2. It could be times 1 plus t. That makes it twice as big. Or times 0.2. Let me show you something. And we don't know color. Wait. Tier 3. Let me think. Times... What? Ah. This needs to be an F. Oh god, I love... Can I just say this just one time? It feels so good to be back to C++. You know, I've been editing the Zig video for the last 3 days. And holy shit, was that a pain. Just, I feel this... I still feel it, man. It was... Oh my god. God, every step of the way. Starting with the extension that didn't work. Then we wanted to use the library. And then Tcap told me to try to use enums. And then it didn't have operator overloading. Oh my god. Oh, and by the way, I used the wrong version. The download page shows an unstable version at the very top, advertising unstable versions, without properly labeling it as unstable. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. I wanted to change the size here. And then we need an animation index. I think we use 1 or 2. This one right here. Let's try this. And then we also need to make the color Color explosion. And color explosion is T. Dot alpha. Let's do one first. I'm okay as far, thanks. How are you today? I'm good. I'm good today. I'm finally making progress on the tower defense game again, which makes me very happy because I've been yearning for that. I think it's a bit big. This looks bad as well. Let's see. I'm gonna use this now. Oh wow, that's big. How about Vec 2 and then 64? Oops. I didn't make any progress this week, it feels like. I'm a little bit sad. Yeah, I can relate. Well, Phil, the best way to feel a little bit better is to, let's say you get home, do something for 15 minutes. Just do something. You will feel better. You shouldn't put yourself down about not making something. Acknowledge that it is the way it is. You're not perfect. And turn off that part of your brain. Try to like hide it from yourself. And then just start over again. Because you only fail or become, let's say, a loser when you stop. You know, it doesn't mean that you have to be perfect all the way through. I go play Ark heavily today with friends. I mean, before you play, you can do something for 15 minutes, bro. While you wait for your friends, you know? Look at this guy. Thanks, getting tears in my eyes right now, thanks. Backlog baby, do you have a to-do list? Do something easy, yeah. Make a picture and paint. Hey? Hello there, Anna. How's it going, man? Welcome. Good day to you, bro. Hey? Ah, it's minus. I'm stupid. Okay, well then 8. Oh my god, why do I do minus here? This is so dumb. I should do plus and then minus. Which means minus 20. Down or up. Actually, how about 0? Because you're stupid? Be careful what you say, bro. Here, can ban you. First time catching you live. I watched a few of your Vulcan videos a while ago. Oh, cool. You like them? I know they were not the greatest. You know, it was literally my first tutorial series. But if they were helpful to you, then that's nice to hear. Let's do 12 again. Hi, I'm learning C++ and I want to know how do you learn it? Or how did you learn it? I learned C++ the following way. I went over to YouTube. Let me find YouTube here. I went over to YouTube and then I typed in C++ tutorial. And then I just picked the first one that I saw and did the entire tutorial from start to end to get to know the basics. Once I was done with that, it took me about a weekend, I made it a point to come back every day. So essentially, once I had the basics down, I did this. Number one, I set aside a set amount of time every day that I would learn. It couldn't be too much time, but it couldn't be too little time. So let's say 15 to 30 minutes. And of work. And that would be learning. I can't type with this, you know, it's really difficult. Let's see. And so I would do, let's say, a tutorial every day for 15 to 30 minutes. And in my case, that was chili tomato noodle. If you want to know, I watched this guy. Let's see. And he has a playlist over here with beginner C++ programming guides. You don't have to watch the same guides as he or as I watched. There is a downside to every guide. There's some upsides to every guide. But what I did was, while I was doing that, I now would make it a point to never miss a day. Right? So on some days, I had to force myself. And so for you, that would be that would mean you force yourself sometimes. And why do you do that? Well, because sometimes you don't want to do it, but your intention is to keep doing something to build a habit. That is what you do when you keep doing this. Eventually you build a habit. And this is where you want to get to. Once you have the habit, the act of doing yourself or forcing yourself becomes much easier, or it even completely goes away. Because it's just something you do. And once you are at that point, you can go and start working on tasks rather than on minutes. Okay? And once you are at this point where you want to focus on tasks, the time completely becomes translucent. It is no longer there, no longer present. You have a goal each day and you are working towards that goal. For example, let's try to put this into my perspective right here in the game. My goal for today is to make this trap ability right here that you can see very well look good and feel good. Like it's snappy, it looks very well, it's like this awesome explosion and it feels impactful. That is my task for today. I don't have any time constraints to that. That is just something I do. And so yeah, one side note however to this part right here, forcing yourself, you shouldn't feel bad about it because every single person that does something, even when they like it, sometimes they have to force themselves. So you shouldn't feel bad about it. And if someone tells you you should always love what you're doing, they are wrong and they are lying to you. Okay, so don't get fooled into this false pretense of, oh, I should always love what I'm doing. That's not how it works. Yeah, and so basically, these are the steps to learn basically anything. You know? This has nothing to do with programming, right? You can use this to learn anything. How about you ride with me 1B way? Yeah. Eventually you build a habit. Yeah, this is, you can apply this to anything. And especially in the beginning, this part right here, the first two steps, they are very difficult. Yeah. All right, let's go back to programming here. I love your headphones. My headphones. I mean, they are black, I guess. Yeah, thank you. Being monitored, sus. Alright, let's see here. Let's put this guy up. And then he's supposed to spawn a bunch of ice traps. Okay, that looks bad. We can't do T plus linear T. And then we need to change the color here. The color has to be bright in the very beginning and then go down. We could do T. We could do 0.5 plus T. Wait, no. If we do 1 minus T, then it's bright in the beginning and goes down. So we could do an ease out quad. We are easing out the linear T. And we do 1 minus that. Which means then we need to ease in. Ease in. So essentially what we're doing is we are taking a curve that looks like this. Right? If this is 1 and this is 1. And we are inverting it to a curve that looks like this for the color. Wow, that's a terrible curve, but we are basically doing this for the color. So we are bright in the very beginning, bright, 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 and then we slowly fade out. That's the idea for this explosion. Let's see if this works. The alpha value doesn't do anything. Because I'm not using the explosion color. Color explosion. I'm now using the explosion color, and I think I want to slow down the T here. Let's see. How about 80? And maybe I just don't... Maybe I do, let's say, 70? I just watched all of your streams and copied the code to myself. It's annoying because there aren't many tutorials out there to help with your problem. I just watched all of his streams and copied the code to myself. Or which code? The Vampire Survivors code or the Tower Survivors code? The crashing problem I mentioned. I think we almost have a good effect. I think we just have to multiply. Let me think. Thank you very much for subscribing on YouTube. I think it was a subscription. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Let me think. So I want this to be faster. I have an idea, I think. And this is making it... Oh no, wait, I know what to do. Multiply that by 1.2. I love this, you know, this is fine-tuning stuff. F, I guess. This fine-tuning stuff really works very well. This has to be faster. Has to be faster. Okay, we still have to keep it at 1. But I want this to be faster. Let's see. Maybe 1.2. Or T. Then it eases out back. But then I don't think I can use... Oh, wait. Let's try this. I don't think I can use a min. Or? Oh. Let's try this. Okay, it requires a little bit of... See if this works. What if we draw this with additive blending as well? Oh, we already do. But what if we add bloom as well? Is this too much? Holy shit. What do you guys think? It's a bit too much, right? How do we about we... Explosion color, color... Color explosion, color... Explosion color, let's put this here. Let's call it color... Color... ring. color white, but then we do color ring dot alpha is 0.8. Right. Yeah, this is, you know, this is fine tuning, but I think we're getting very close to. Is it really that much already? Is still? How about 0.7? I think it's a little bit too glowy. Maybe no ease out back. Huh? What is this? What is this? What am I doing? Huh? Explosion color? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's called color ring. That's why it never changed. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Holy shit. Okay. Color ring. Oops. Alright, so what do we have here? Well, this is the impact force or something. Put this here. And then over here we have the whatever that is. The ring of fire. Take area into account. To do. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's see. I just reordered the code a little bit and we're probably going to get rid of this. I didn't want to angle this at all. We can get rid of those as well. Do we use the radius even? I'm not changing the angle here. Okay, so this is the ring, and down there we have the impact force. Let's see if we still have everything that we had before. The same. We do, I think. Let's see. Okay. Good. Now I would like to start the size of the ring. With 10 plus radius minus 10. Now what I'm doing here is I'm starting when we slow down right now and he explodes the ring, it should start not at the minimum, it should start at a... Yeah, not that small. Let's do 40. It should start at least with 40. Hello, how... now that you tried Zig, what's your thoughts? Yeah. My thoughts about Zig. It has a long way to go. It doesn't have operator overloading, including libraries sometimes is a pain in the ass. The integration into Visual Studio Code is dog shit and doesn't work very well. You have to manually add stuff and it's confusing because it gives you a pop-up that wants to help you but doesn't do anything. It doesn't have a fall through for switch case statements, which I would love to have. It forces enum classes on you when you would like to use enums as numbers maybe, just like in C. And it's in version 0.1 and advertises an unstable version at the very top of their homepage without labeling it as unstable. So when you're downloading, you're getting something that is most likely not supported by libraries out there, such as Raylib. I haven't tried SDL2, but I would assume that this problem exists in other libraries too. So you're running into a bunch of problems from the very get-go when using Zig, and you are not informed. So unless you want to read a book about Zig before starting, that's my opinion. Yeah. Zig is not J. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much for following Novai. I appreciate it very much, man. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. The color of this ring is dog shit. Ah, I see. Wow, how did I do that? Dim the ring a little bit. There we go. So we need to somehow take the area into account here later on. The radius and diameter. Where's the radius coming from, by the way? Get AUE radius. Oh, I think we already do this. Wait, I think we are already doing this. Wait a minute. Okay. Radius. So we already take the radius into account, are we? That means we also have to... Let's call it force size final, I guess. Let's call it explosion size. I think we're mostly done. right? What do you guys think? Huh? Now, I don't have sound effects in the game yet, right? Maybe we should really complete this by doing a sound effect. What do you think? Should we figure out a way to add the sound effect now as our first iteration for sound? Because I literally have never done this. Looks Wowzers Cakes, you like it? Yeah, let's try this then. That would... Because this is the one thing that I have to improve upon the most. Sound effects in my game. Now, how do we find one though? That's the biggest question. How do we find sound effects? I bought a commercial sound effect pack in Indie Humble. Coffee Lava once, let's see, game... Is it Open Sound? Open Sound, we have music for your score, for your project. I don't know. Hit. Search. I don't think this has to do with game sound. Library of game sounds. Open game art. RPG sound. I mean, buttons and switches, lasers, phasers.
Hello, Cakez.
Hello, my gets up. Who left the mic unmuted? We need to listen to those. Cute cartoon, interface sound, squish, slurp, bomb, explosion. Explosion vielleicht? Nah. Atmospheric, platformer, jump, old school, win, die, sound jump, different steps, sci-fi sounds, monster pack, hits, jumping, landing, random, projectile launches, laser fire, level up, switches, battle sound, high quality explosions. No. Maybe this is nice. Maybe this stuff right here, one of them. More like light emitting sound. Doodlet, doodlet. That was it. I mean, let's download it, right? How do we download this? Let's see, random SFX. All right, let's do something else. Wait, that's it? Nothing more? Laser fire. Swishes, battle sound, high quality explosions, robotic. Boom. Boom pack, footwalking, platformer, interactions, items, monster, wooden, melee sounds, monster effects. Action shooter. Okay. I think he means your game. Yeah, but we are working on this now. Space shooter? Okay. Sci-fi computer sounds. This one is it. This is it. I think. That's what we need. How do we download this? That it is. That's it. No, no! Stop! Stop! Shit! It doesn't stop. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh man, I'm very sorry about that. Yeah. 7-zip? Oh my god, can I please unpack this? I need to take a piss. Right click 7-zip, extract here. Aha, thank you. Which sound did you post on Discord? What am I, what? Secret XOR?
Fuck off.
Oh, no.
Fuck off.
Oh, no.
Fuck off.
Oh, no.
Fuck off, Cake, stop streaming. Don't tell me what to do, bitch. Okay. How about you? Don't tell me what to do. Okay. I'm enjoying myself right now. Fuck you. Right, we need to do a small recording. Let's put OBS. Start recording. Stop recording. All right. Now that we have the recording, we need to open up DaVinci. Okay, the reason why I'm starting DaVinci right now, by the way, is because we're going to do exactly what... I think it was... We learned this from Randy, actually. So what we are going to do now is locate the sound in the recording. Which I think it's this one here. What was this again? This was the last Epoch one, yeah. See, like all of these recordings are still on my backlog. Have to make them. Yeah, so we have this recording right here. Oh well, can't see. Yeah, change. God, lag. Alright, so what we are interested in is not this, not this. This is my... This is the game, yeah. Alright, we're gonna make this a bit louder. Then you guys can hear this. Yeah, you should be able to hear this. And now we want to look at this explosion right here. We are interested in this. This part right here. That's what we want to work with. And it is right here. This part right here. Now we have to put sound below this. Once we have the sound for this, we're going to export only that sound. And for that, we need this extracted sound asset. This could be one, for example. This one is good as well. This one's good too. Oh my god. Maybe. So like... Oh wow. What do you guys think? And I could repeat the sound here. What do you think? Give me your honest opinion. Kinda cool. Well, it's not going to be this loud, right? We're going to do -5 at minimum. Are you fucking serious right now? What do you mean? Dude, it's crap? What do you mean? How is this shit? How's that an icy explosion? Fine, fine. Let's try out a little bit. It's like a laser shot? Okay, fine. Okay. Let's look in the internet a little bit more. We are not done yet, right? It's a 1. Library of game sounds. How do we find sounds here? OpenGameSound.org. Is there a way to sound effects? And then search ice. Freeze spell. First and foremost, is this loud?
Tornado!
This is a tornado. That's it? It's supposed to be 8. Listen to this. Can you hear ice freeze? Yeah, but I'm pretty sure I can't take this. This would be stolen. This would be stolen. I could, no, it's fine, I could. I think it's not allowed to do this. Yeah, I don't think I'm allowed to just take this. You can use it as a reference to find something similar. I know what I'm looking for. I have something in my ear that I would like to have. This is like a tree. This one. Someone dying on the toilet. Please load. Please load. Can you please load? Okay. How do we download this? I have an idea. Where is it? I hate this so much. Fucking hate this so much. Flak? Can I even import this into DaVinci? Does this even work? Can you even put Flak files? Like you can. Alright, let's listen to the different ones. Terrible. 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 Think this one. We're gonna merge sounds together. Just wait. Okay, that is terrible as hell. It's crazy. Okay. So the idea is that we use that together with an explosion. Just wait. I'm not perfect with sounds yet, right? It's our first sound. Alright, how about this? We just put a bunch of stuff in here. Item bag. Item pick. Teleport.
Gotcha,
And
bitch.
tick. Thank you very much for following, man. Now we're just gonna listen. So the idea is that we just merge these sounds together. Thank you very much for following SinAt or SinST. Thank you, sir. See that? And we can change the pitch a bit. No. No, that's too much. What if we turn this down? Oh wow, look at that. Sounds a lot better, right? Now we are supposed to work on that sound. How about making a bit brighter? Then put this at 30. Definitely better, yeah. That initial sound is kind of meh, this one. Well, we could change it. We could also do this. Right, we have to make it a bit louder though. Maybe by 10. We can also make this longer, right? Let's say without pitch correction, right? So we could say, well, this is only 50%, right? And then it sounds... Wow, look at that. But maybe that's a bit too little. Let's say 60%. Right, and if we have these two, let's figure out when the other one explodes. Right here. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Rate it. Masterpiece? Meh? What do you mean meh? We need an impact, I suppose. That is what's missing. But so far, come on. Come on. It's not that bad, right? Undo the stretch. Oops. 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 Sorry about that. I keep misclicking. Oh my god! 8 and enter, you dummy. Sounded different before? Well, I had it on 50. Bless you, thank you. Mean this? Like that? Clean hands. Your gem, but my hands are clean. We keep it. This is our first sound. And I know that. I learned that from Randy. Because he showed how he's doing it with his game. And I thought, holy shit, this is a genius idea. Because you can play this back so many times. It's so fucking good. You can duplicate it and add one without stretching, pitch correction. Can you duplicate it? Sure. Let's see. Yeah, Randy Gigachat. Yeah, really good. Which one do you like more? Try both of them. But the new one, make it 100%. You mean this 100%? I mean like this? Maybe. Okay, let's keep it like this. Let's not make this too crazy. But this is already a good start. First ability. Yeah, let's... Okay, now how do we do this? I have to do I and... I would say this is where the effect ends. Oh. DaVinci keeps doing that. But okay, we do it like this, and then we get rid of this. And we just export the audio. Isn't the effect too long and loud? When there will be like 3-4 triggers, the sound will be a mess. What I do is the following. I will only start the sound. I have to redo my sound system anyways. But you're right. Maybe it's too long and we have to stop stretching it. It is quite loud. But let's first test it out, right? That would be the ice trap explosion. Ice trap explosion. We put this to Cakez framework assets sounds, and we want to have the audio only. And this is where we have to wave file, yeah, linear. We want to have a wave file, linear PCM, and bit depth. I think it was 16, right? IEE float, linear I think it was linear PCM or IEE float, I don't remember. We'll try out both. I don't remember. One bus stereo. I think yes. Normalize audio, we'll have to see. Let's try this first. Add to render queue, IC explosion. Wave file, render all. Let's see. Now, I'm assuming that this is the wrong format. Let me open this in Audacity. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong here. So this has 48,000 and has a 32-bit float and 2 channels. And one thing that definitely works is this on-hit skeleton. I need to remember... Okay, I need 44,100 already. That's bad. And it looks like I want 2 channels and 32-bit. I wonder if it's possible for me to change this here. Not sure if I can. Doesn't let me do that. Kinda sucks. Oh, fine. Whatever. We're just gonna save this as 44,100 and should be fine. File export as WAV file. Let me guess. This is not... Yeah, this is in YouTube. Yeah, guys, you see that? I have issues with free space on my computer. Quick access. Where's Cakez framework assets? Sounds. Strap explosion. Yes. Alright, the cool thing is, I could just use it right now. I don't have to restart my game or anything. Now that we have the sound, the only thing in code we have to do is play the sound. Whenever we deal AoE damage, we also play the sound. That's it. That's how easy it is. That's why I love C++, by the way, guys. That is exactly... It's a little bit quiet, but it works. It works, guys. We have our very first ability completely in the game. Completely. Isn't that awesome? Look at this. They're both putting this stuff here. I wonder what happens. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Oh man. God damn. Watch this. It's gonna be a huge explosion. Oh, this is so cool, man. All of this is done in purely C++. Still lost, yeah. I think the reason why is because they actually don't deal cold damage. Let me see. Ice trap, delay UV damage. Yeah. No, wait, actually. I think this is it. That should make it work. Let's try this. I think now the ability is completely in the game. Completely implemented. It should now actually do what it says. 140 cold damage. Yeah, now it does. One last thing. The last thing. We need a tiny bit of variation on the traps, if that makes sense. So, for example, first I want to draw, if it's not triggered, I want to draw the, where is it? Already taking the area into account. Impact force. Where's the red quad that I'm drawing? Guys, can you see where I'm drawing the red quad? Am I blind? So you guys... Ah, it's just where it's targeting it, right? Ice trap radius. If it's not triggered. Collider. Draw quad. Target location, and then let's put a vector 2 around it of 10. Wait, 14. What happened? What happened to penis? That seems like a correct collider. But I have a feeling they... I have a feeling they... trigger these traps too early. I need some cheering head. Please play some Last Epoch. I will play Last Epoch again when I'm done with all of my YouTube stuff. So I'll talk about this in a second, okay? This is cool. I love this. This is just awesome. Ah, this is awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I just love this. This is awesome. No, it just, you know, it's like my baby. I've been caring for this for multiple years now. And it's coming together slowly. And the one thing that has been missing the longest time is sound. Now we have a way of making sound. And I only have this way of making sound because I'm so proficient with, well, DaVinci Resolve now. This is cool. This is awesome. For YouTube arc. I think this is fine, the collider then. We have the cold damage here. Ah, yeah. Underscore trap. Alright, so. We need, when we pick a waypoint, furthest waypoint, the position has to be plus a vector 2 with random modifiers. So like a random range of -2 to 2 and random range of -2 to 2. So what am I doing here? Basically, oh no, not here. This is the wrong place. When we choose that one, yeah. When we choose this and we set the target location. Where's that? Target location. Yeah. We can do a vector 2 location is target waypoint. Target waypoint dot position plus. So basically we always give it a range of 4 pixels around, so we don't stack the same trap on the same spot multiple times. So they have a little bit of variation. I don't know whether 2 is a good range, so let's call it float spread. Let's call it 3 for now, and then we just do random range from minus spread and spread. Whoops. Let's see, this minus spread to spread. Then we can control this. And I think I want to turn this into an I vector. Why do I want to turn this into an integer? Now let's keep it as a vector 2 for now. Let's try. Did I build this? It's a little bit the same. Almost. This one was exactly the same location. Ah, I know why. Because I'm not using the target location here. There we go. Okay. Bruh. Let's see. Yeah, it's always a little bit different, but maybe it's still too close. I think maybe the spread has to be higher, let's say 5 pixels. Maybe that's it. I just have 1 point to change from vector 2 to I vector 2. What game engine are you using, Cakez? I'm using my own. It is built on this right here.
Hello.
Okay, this looks a little bit better. The spread around is a little bit more clear now. I think this is still a little too glowy, to be honest. Maybe we have to make this less glowy. Look at this, guys. There we go. Draw radius circle, too much fast. Ice trap. Is there anything left? Ice trap explosion. Yeah, I think if it's not triggered, this one, the alpha value, 0.8 might be a bit too much. I think it's fine, even if it's that much. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe I could get a sound which sounds like a trap activation, and then another one which is some icy kind of sound, and blend them together. We already have one. I think this is good enough. But yeah. Cool.